Introducing the Actually Curious countertop displays, available in all five Actually Curious editions. Starting with the Actually Curious Curiosity Edition, our original deck, each box has for your customers a run through of the different gameplay scenarios that make sense, the values that are reflected, a key quote that we've received in press, as well as on each back of the box a detailed description of the movement to spread empathy and the specific role that this deck plays. That's available for your retail staff and associates who are able to brush up a little bit on the game and what it stands for. Next up, we have the Our Future Edition, great for friendship, purpose, exploring mental health, self reflection, play. This deck is targeted at parents, mentors, teachers, young people with a beautiful green color, and really help to explore self awareness, getting to know oneself, and having easy questions, two levels, light and deep. And then finally, in this example, we have the Happy Hour Edition, great for exploring passion, self care, relationships, love. This is great for date night. It's great for dinner parties. So, as you can see, the countertoppers are here to support your end of shopping experience. It's perfect for placing right at the end of checkout or throughout your store where it makes sense. It's great for color coordinating. It's great for placing Actually Curious all together in a way that stands out. Finally, many of our customers will buy the original Curiosity edition, and then stack it with multiple decks when they're ready to replenish, which is a great way to use the Actually Curious countertop displays. That's what we got for you now. Thank you.